friends, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we will be testing out a product which I got off of AliExpress. I am sure you can find it on eBay or Joom or Wish or any other website that sells China goods. And I am talking about this thing right here. So this is like a shower cap thingy which you put over your head and you make it tighter with this elastic, and then this part goes over the hairdryer, and when you switch on the hairdryer this will inflate over your head and it will dry out your hair. And I saw this video on Instagram where the person she was doing it, she split her hair in 4 sections and then she kind of twisted her hair and pinned it up and put this on it, and she ended up with the most amazing loose curls and big waves. And so I thought we should try it out. So here I am just following the steps on the tutorial, just brushing my hair, splitting it in half and then each section in half again. So here comes the part where you have to twist your hair. It is very simple. You just grab a section and then add another section of hair, just twist them around, and before every twist you just add another piece of hair, and when you're done just secure it with a hair tie and then repeat all the steps for the other 3 parts. When the twisting is done, just wrap them around your head and secure them with a hair clip, and you just let the hair thing works its magic. So I kept this thing on for about 15 to 20 minutes, but I have to say I just couldn't resist the hairdryer on the highest heat setting, so I just switched it down to medium setting, and sometimes I even flipped the switch to cold air because it feels like your head is burning. Bad as a hairstyle, but it is totally not what I saw on the video and the result that she got. I will link it down below, and I will even insert some pictures of the result that she ended up with somewhere over here. Just let me know what you think about this product. I think I am going to give this one a thumbs down because it did not quite dry my hair well, and I spent like 10 minutes with it on my head, and apart from my hair being still wet, I didn't get the curls or loose waves that I was hoping for. So yes, this one will be a thumbs down for me. But let me know if you guys have ever tried something like this before and the results that you got, and how did you do it, like if you did it just as I did, or you tried something else, or you put some product in your hair. Just let me know in the comments down below. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video because I have very similar videos planned, and let me know in the comments down below if there is something that you want me to try out, and thank you for watching.